Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the MTN 8, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Undibu.
Champions, greetings, Thibaut. I came here to confirm my next victim.
Yes.
For the semi-final.
Who is it?
Which is Cape Town City. Unfortunately, I will not play them on the 24th of August. I'll play them on the 21st because on the 24th,
yes,
I'll be playing my second leg at Orlando for CAF Champions League.
Okay.
I have a very tight and busy schedule,
yes,
as you can see. Let's go into the game, or before I go to the game, let me congratulate Orlando Pirates for signing Dion van Rooyen without involving the parents. A great tactics from Orlando Pirates as well.
Who involved the parents?
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, which team involves the parents?
They know themselves. They are repeating what Sundowns once did to Eric Matho. Just unfortunately, Tower says no. I'll choose Kaizer Chiefs without involving parents.
Okay.
Let's go into the game. It was a game. Let me rest assured you that without Kasi flavor, sometimes the game become boring.
Yes.
Let's also give credit into Puti Mulife, the coach of Polokwane City.
Yes.
He comes there with 4-1-1, which was a formation that was was defending deep.
Yes.
We must applaud them for making sure that within 90 minutes there is no goal that has come into their goal post, which the two back two did exceptional work. They were so relaxed and make sure that when Sundowns attacks, they will be able to deal with those final third passes that they were doing.
Yeah.
Peter Shalulile was pocketed today, and we also see that he tried by all means Umjita number 10, but unfortunately the defense of Polokwane City were up to the standard.
Yes.
Let's say to Mamelodi Sundowns, they must know what is the problem. I think the problem, they are having the similar recipe in what they are cooking. You see that Ibuko was playing today as a defender. Yeah. We also see that Aubry was also playing as well on the midfielder.
Yes.
Something that it doesn't give them creativity. They are getting all those corner kick, but they can't even convert one single goal, which Matudi, the guy that was playing on the right back of Polokwane City, he did exceptional work. Just unfortunately, it is the game of football where he managed to lose concentration on the last dying minutes, and they were buried by just an own goal.
Yes.
To them, they must just hit up because Mamelodi Sundowns today, we saw that they were looking for it. Unfortunately, the god of football was right on their side. That's where they managed to go and play into the semi-final, and they're going to face Stellenbosch, one of the team that keep them into 2023's MTN. So even this one is going to be a very interesting for them because they are not going to find it easy. A whole team without knowing where will the goal gonna come from. It can't come from Mo Ribeiro, it can't come from Mo Allende. So I think they are adding too much of the like terms.
Yes.
Thibaut, I'm scared since now we are on MTN and also of pre-season as well to other teams because we must respect the football that is being played at South Africa. 5 coaches already exited the teams without doing a single job.
Who are those coaches?
Rulan exited Mamelodi Sundowns. Stephen Kompele exited Golden Arrows. We found that Delon K also exited Marumo Gallants. We also find that this guy of Skukuneswell also left the job without doing anything.
What did he do?
Nothing. You just sign the contract and they fire you tomorrow. So I'm saying we must respect this football because there are supporters that tomorrow they can just wake up and find that the team is already sold because of this kind of tactics that our leadership are doing.
But
Stibo.
leadership, wait. How can you keep someone in the league who doesn't know Pirates, who doesn't know Kaiser Chiefs, who doesn't know Mamelodi Sundowns?
Why did you sign him from the first? They are wasting our media publicity for us to come here and sing, saying that which team has signed these particular players.
Yes.
So I'm saying let's do away with the playoff because tomorrow when they are fighting relegation, they will go and deny an NFD team that will be coming and play for promotional playoff. Let's take two that took position number 1 and 2 so that this team, they can be relegated and go where they belong. Chipa was supposed to be gone by now.
Man of the match.
Richards Bay was supposed to be gone even now.
No, izobalanga. Angina space.
Richards Bay was supposed to be gone.
Bengifuna ubuza ukuthi
They fired-
Sundowns. Bengifuna ubuza ngiyadala ngimfuna ubuza into serious. iSundowns neKaizer Chiefs. Okay, sibaka i2. iSundowns neChiefs. Mina ngine iSundowns ne ku Glory Cup. Ikhaya labo ne mina ngine naturel ka pirate bathi baqashile ngisho kibo straight.
Yeah, there is owning and renting and tenant. So if you
a trophy for 10 years,
Does
does that matter if ungana trophy for 10 years?
nomuzi mina
But does that matter? Yazi lento ishoyo wena. Ukhuluma ukuthi wena unomntwana omzalayo, ne?
uqashile
Relax. Score. It sikutshela score. Dala ukhuluma wena. Mamela, score.
I think uzwile.
Yazi kufana nani? Kufana ukuthi wena unomntwana ne omzalayo. Udom umntanakho. Owakho umntana udom. Dom uthatha number last every term every year. Ubuloku siyamsupporta ngoba ngumntana
Yes.
but mina ngibe lo mntwana ngiyi stepfather. Mara lo mntwana uyaflourisha each and every time.
uma uyistepfather
Esperance wena wethize ufake Esperance nina Kenya ngelento yokuthi nisupporta amanye amateam ngamanye amateam.
I'm here that because the pre-season is still going long. Ne? They are going to celebrate 200 meters of Tebogo medal there in Botswana. They are lost. They don't know where to go anymore. Now they are going to Botswana. When they come back, they are going to play Kappa Cup with Kukune and other teams that are supported by Kappa. But justice for them. Man of the match, those great players that come into the party. Rivaldo was owning it. I remember this other time when they said that they're going to release him because of injury. The guy is back. We also saw the guy Chauke, the just number 9 of Plukwane. He did exceptional well. He was giving headache to Mamelodi Sundowns defenders because they were not having a natural. It was only Libusa, which today he's celebrating his clean sheet as a goalkeeper. It's something that I think Manyoba got it wrong. You can't finish all your substitution. You can't finish all your substitution while you still have a long 8 minutes that is going. After all, it was a great game. Now let's leave this game to our VAR specialists that are doing this service free of charge. Amakos, obvious, they are going to review the game tomorrow and tell us if Dennis Onyango red card was really fair or not. For us, we'll be focusing on playing, whereas they are reviewing and give us the opinion on refereeing opinion.
Remember, did you recharge just with 10 rand airtime?
I've did. I'm on my second week. I dial *144 *8 hash, and last fan standing is going to get 1 million, and some of us overall we are going to get a share of 8 million. We just have to within 7 days 10 rand, 7 days 10 rand, 7 days 10 rand, and then 1 meter you go and buy, or you go and stay at Thatchesfield there at Centurion. The Billiam Manzis was born, but the fact is that we'll be
You are
staying
there.
at Tachispilled through MTN. Wafa Wafa.
Thank you.